The universal Hoover is coming to hoover up anything or anyone that no longer serves a purpose in your life. I feel that some of you are in a time of reflection. You may feel like things are quite quiet at this time, and you may feel a little bit uncertain. And Spirit wants you to know that during this time of isolation, it's a time for you to go within, to seek solace within self. It's a time for you to be at peace with yourself, to connect with yourself, because I feel that some of you have been trying to run away from yourself. And during this time of solitude, use this time to master yourself, to learn yourself, to heal yourself, to work through your anxieties, to work through your worries. Don't use this time as a time of feeling as though you are being punished. This is the time of your healing, because you have been met with many blockages. You've been met with many unfortunate situations whereby you're trying to connect with others, you're trying to do certain things, and they're just not working out. You're feeling left out in the cold. Even if you are connecting with people on a physical level, you're still not feeling that soul connection. That Spirit trying to warn you that these individuals are not to be carried through to the next cycle of your life. You have to clear the energy, and that includes clearing these individuals, the outdated ways of thinking, the outdated ways of being. Because if you keep trying to continue on a cycle that's not serving you, you're going to be met with disappointment. You're going to be met with feeling left out in the cold. You're going to be met with feeling rejected. Because it's Spirit's way of showing you that these people, this situation is not in alignment with you. There's a lot of conflict, madness, and mayhem with the people, the associations that you are keeping. Spirit is trying to warn you time and time again about these individuals. And these individuals could be family members. And that's why it makes it so hard to loosen your grip. That's why it makes it so hard to release these people from your life. These people have been nothing but detrimental to your growth, smiling in your face, pretending to want the best for you, but secretly trying to sabotage you, not wanting you to expand. And these people don't have to just be family members. They could appear like family members. You could feel so comfortable around these individuals that they almost become like family. These individuals have cemented themselves into your life in a way whereby you feel obligated to them in some cases. They cemented themselves in your life in a way whereby they have become a part of your life. And you could be an individual whereby you only stick to what you are used to. And Spirit wants you to know that just because someone has been a part of your life for a long time does not mean that you cannot see the red flags within them. Now, I'm not saying you have to seek out the red flags within each and every person that you encounter, no. But you know just as much as I do, TikTok family, that these individuals need to go. And Spirit knows that you will not release these individuals, which is why the universal Hoover has come out. Now, we've got a lot of planetary alignments going on. Neptune's just gone into Aries. You know, we had the full moon in Aries. Pluto is transiting Aquarius. And it means a lot, depending on what your natal chart is saying. But for the collective, there's a shift occurring. And with that Neptunian energy going into Aries, that's all about taking off the rose-colored glasses, seeing situations and people for who they really are. Aries is about taking leadership of your own life, being independent. Some of you have been codependent. Spirit doesn't want you to be codependent anymore. And for some of you, Spirit knows that you will find it very hard to release these individuals. Spirit knows that in order for your self-growth, some of these individuals, they need to simply go. And Spirit knows that you won't remove yourself, so Spirit will remove these people. You will start to see that you are no longer in alignment with these people on an energetic level, because you will start to feel stifled around these individuals. You will not feel like you can expand. You will not feel like you can grow. These are all going to be signs from the universe showing you that if you keep associated with these individuals, you will be stagnated. You will start to see your money fluctuate if you still align with these individuals. They could be family members. They could be friends. They could be work colleagues. Please take what resonates. For some of you, they could be partners, unfortunately. Now, it will be uncomfortable to admit this truth to yourself, and Spirit knows that you are in the energies of not wanting to face certain truths, and we've all been there. None of us are immune, right? And that's why Spirit will do it for you, because Spirit can see things before we see things, you see. And Spirit knows what goes on behind closed doors and hears conversations that you don't hear. You see, whoever you're connected to, they are in fear of your growth. They are in fear of your evolution. They are in fear of you seeing them for who they really are. They are in fear of losing your energy. These individuals, they align with you to deter you off your path. For some of you, these individuals have the sight of seeing. And that's quite unfortunate, because they're using their gifts for the bad. These individuals feel alone. They feel isolated within. They know that you are a big personality. They know that, you know, you're well sought after. You can achieve so much in your career. You know, people might want to befriend you. People might want to date you. And they want you for themselves. They're very selfish. They want to capture your energy. See how the Hermit card has the star in the lamp? This is what they want for your energy, to keep it for themselves. For some of you, they don't even want to keep it for themselves. They actually want to hide your energy so that no one can see you. They may want to hide your energy, downplay your energy so that you feel less than. And that's why the Hoover's coming out. And it's going to be a massive tower moment. It's going to be a shock. And again, Spirit knows that you won't do it. You won't remove yourself. So Spirit is going to cause a tower moment and shake up the foundations that were built on faulty ground. But you will become victorious out of this. You will realize your true power. You will realize that you can let these situations and these people go. You don't need them. These situations are going to come to an end, whether these individuals like it or not. They are clinging onto your energy. They are burdening you. They are blocking you. And when you look back, you can sense and see that something's a little bit off with their energy, but you downplayed it. And they will be eclipsed out of your life. The situation, these people that you're dealing with now, they're from an old paradigm. We're in a new cycle. This is fresh energy that you are called to take to move forward with. These people, you know, whoever they are, they serve their purpose. They were connected with you at a time when you needed to learn something. The lesson has been learnt. It's time to transform. And these individuals are clinging onto your energy in fear that you are going to transform. But regardless if they want you to transform or not, the Hoover will suck them and place them where they belong. You are called to move forward and fulfill your destiny. Nothing or no one is going to hold you back. It may be met with resistance on your part, especially these individuals' part as well. But we are stepping into a new paradigm. It's your time to rise up and show the world who you really are. It's your time to get out of that old way of thinking, that outdated way of thinking that has been placed upon you by the individuals that you have been around. It's time to step into your power. These connections will dismantle and you will rise.